episode of teachings about infertility in female dogs. This one na banger, so don't touch that dial. Imetukwani aka. Mambo Dog Food is still your best dog amala in town, yeah. Available at Rote's Pet Store in Lorry, Fokia Pet Store in Lorry, Nikki's Pet Store, Kano State. You can also order directly from Moi. And we believe once your payment is confirmed. Okay guys, let's dive into this video. We are talking about ovarian cyst. Ovarian cyst is another delicate issue. When you talk about infertility in female dogs, men talk about ovarian cyst. When you hear ovarian cyst, what's it all about? Just a small fluid-filled sac that grows inside or outside the ovary. Now, what actually happens is that this particular cyst will start to trouble your female bitches. We have so many types. We have luteal cyst, we have follicular cyst, and stuffs like that. Now, you want to ask me, what are the causes of ovarian cyst? Okay, guys, let me answer you. Number one is hormonal imbalance. Remember when I talked about hormonal imbalance, I mentioned ovarian cyst. These two things, they're like conjoined twins. They always work hand in hand in making your female dogs to be infertile. So, number one reason for ovarian cyst is hormonal imbalance. When the estrogen level or the progesterone level is higher or lower than it should be, than normal, it leads to ovarian cyst. Number two reason is when there is failure of normal ovulation. It also leads to ovarian cyst. Then another one, it could just be age related. Now you know that this particular issue, this particular problem is common with dogs that are not spayed. Yes, it's common with unspayed bitches. Now, what are the symptoms? Number one, irregular heat period or prolonged heat. Either way, your dog will just be coming on heat every 2 months. Every 2 months, and you mate nothing. Before you know it, if it's happening that way, just know that there is no ovulation. Or at times it will take a year plus before the dog will come on heat. Still go and do a test. You know that there's something definitely wrong. Now, another thing that you don't know is that the dog will just be itching, unnecessarily aggressive. As in, you have these behavioral changes in your female dog. You just become unnecessarily aggressive, even towards you. Then excessive licking. They'll just be licking themselves. Then another one is swollen vulva. All these are symptoms. The dog is not on heat, but the vulva is swollen. All these are symptoms of ovarian cyst. Now, you might also want to ask me, what are the treatments? Number one, which is a permanent solution to it, is spaying the bitch. Ovariohysterectomy is a permanent solution. Another one that you could also do, which is not that common, is hormonal therapy. Yes, you do a hormonal therapy for the dog. Then the last but not the least is monitoring the cyst, whether it's getting bigger or smaller. You just monitor the growth of the cyst. It's important to treat it because it will make your dog to be sterile. It brings infertility. Then secondly, it will lead to recurring hormonal imbalance. If you are treating hormonal imbalance in your female dogs and you are not checking for ovarian cyst, it will keep reoccurring because you've not removed the cause of it. So it will lead to recurring or persistent hormonal imbalance. Then the last thing that it will lead to, which you wouldn't like to hear, is infections like pyometra, which is a life-threatening disease. That will be our next topic. Don't touch that dial. Imetukwani aka. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye.